Yada Industrial Select Premium 4+ Year Mature Bamboo from 666 hectares of forest, ensuring top quality right from the source. Raw bamboo goes through an automated line, cut precisely to size. Robotic arms feed the segments into multi-blade splitters, slicing them into uniform strips. Robotic claws load the strips for high-speed skinning and shaving, pulling them into smooth, slender dowels. Bundled up and dried to order. Stacked in a crosswise pattern after drying, the strands get full airflow to breathe. Cut to standard lengths, the strands become precise toothpick blanks. Once cut, the blanks hit the primary sanding stage to strip off burrs fast. Custom sharpened into single or double tips. Finally, secondary polishing delivers smooth, prick-free tips for safety. Precision weighed and boxed for storage. Every step is strictly controlled for a clean, worry-free experience.